Hey guys, I'm here in the Teen Club of Margaritaville checking out this awesome space so you know what to expect when you've got your teens on board. So this space is for teens age 13 to 17. You can see they've got all sorts of screens, so I'm sure they've got some video game systems down here below. Great seating. They got some board games over here, some spots for them to just hang out and chill. You can see they got some great views out of the sea from there. And you can see here they've got the program schedule. So these cruises are only 2 days long, so it's changed every 2 days. But so they've got registration in all the kids clubs from 3 to 5:45 on day one, and then things open up, I believe she said, starting at 7 p.m. So you can see what the schedule looks like here on day one. You can see get to know the club and registration. So if you've got teens or if you've got kids of any age that are going to be in these kids club, make sure you get them registered right away on day one. This is only a 2-day sailing, so you don't want to wait for that, and I'm sure they're not going to want you to wait either because they want to start having fun too. So I'm here in the Parakeet Kids Club. This is for the 7 to 12 year olds here on the Margaritaville at Sea Paradise. I'm going to share this space with you guys so you can see what to expect. If you've got little ones on here like my kids, they've got an announcement coming. Alex, the friendly assistant cruise director. So this is the space here. So you see they've got all sorts of toys. They've got chairs, they've got bean bags. Kids have a great view of the sea as they're in here playing. Balls, television. So like I said, this is the Parakeet Kids Club. This is for the 7 to 12 year olds. So if you've got somebody that falls into that age range, this is their space to have fun here on the Margaritaville at Sea Paradise. Hey y'all, if this video has been helpful for you, if you'd please take a quick moment to like and subscribe, it would mean the absolute world to me as I get started on this YouTube journey. With that out of the way, let's get back to it. Next, we'll go check out the younger kids space. All right guys, so I'm here in the Jolly Moon Kids Club. This is for kids aged 3 to 6 years old, and you can see this is a really nice space. So if you've got little ones, this is their space to come have fun with their friends, make new friends, enjoy some activities. They got some video games over here. I'll show you guys the schedule they've got here in just one moment. But this is their space, and you can see over here, they've got meals that shows you what the different food options are for them, for the meals if they're here during them. And then here's the actual schedule for the Jolly Moon Kids Club. So again, this is for ages 3 to 6. This is up here on deck 11 toward the aft of the ship, which is the rear of the ship. And you can see you gotta have the kids in the program before 7 p.m. if you want them to have dinner at the Kids Club. Registration and open house starts at 3 p.m. on day one, and it goes to 5:30, and then they open up for activities following that. So, yeah, so this is Jolly Moon Kids Club.